Good morning. I'm still in Virginia. I just arrived at Duke Lexington Antique Center, somewhere between Shenandoah Valley and Roanoke. I'm not really sure where I am. It looks awesome though. I've never been here. I'm excited to go in. It's 20,000 square feet and over 200 dealers. But like also shout out to their yard decor. Really amazing. Hi, Kat. Hi, how are you? Oh man, that's a good one. Oh, display, just kidding. Well, already refreshing. Nice selection of vintage and antique right out the bat. Really nice Epergne, Fenton, marbles, Capodimonte. The Snoopy shakers are fun. Still looking for that unique something. These are fun. Amber glasses, set of 4. I'm not sure if those are Blinko or Pilgrim. Love the dimples. Some lucite grapes here. $9.99 each. Well, we might have to get into this case. I also see a really nice Hager earth wrap vase. And then the green jack is only $20. Also hiding back here, this flamingo vase, $8.99. Oh man, and that's an awesome Pilgrim Jack in the Pulpit. That one's only $24. Yeah, we have to get in this case. There's a nice Fenton Cranberry Opalescent. $75 on that though. Blinko water bottle. Hey, this is neat. Sterling Overlay, $35. That might be Cambridge, I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, this is like the best wooden duck I've ever seen. Bob Hayden, North Carolina. Duck decoy, $135. He's fantastic. Some nice Bakelite carving set, I should say. She's spooky with the big eyes. That's a nice elephant statue there. And that pearlized finish is hard to find in good condition. That's only $10. Well, I got all of the grapes for $9.99. I also got both the Jack in the Pulpits. Look at this really unique cast metal cat I found for $9 too. Some really nice Bakelite, $45 each. I love the necklace. That one's at $269 though. And these are fun, the clip-on earrings. Wow, look at the cat picture. Oh, Oval Creek? Not sure what that says. That's so neat though. $169 on that. And oh my gosh, I love these mid-century earrings. I got a pair like that at the DC Flea and I don't know what I did with them, to be honest. Some pottery and salt and pepper shakers in here. What's the doll? She's kind of fun. Really pretty opalescent. Oh no, it's super broken. Just kidding. This is kind of neat too. With the cat and the pumpkin. More contemporary than I like usually. And speaking of cats, look at the fuzzy ceramic cat salt and pepper shakers. Or they're just the figurines. Those are adorable. $15 is a little close. There's a little room, but not as much as I'd like. That's a unique bird. Nelcraft African art bird. Huh. What's this pottery? Mexican. Not exactly what I wanted it to be. Now this is more like it. Check out this Epergne. Holy cow. That's gorgeous. Whoa, is that a carg? Yeah, Roland carg. That is huge. That's like 2 face sizes. That's amazing. I'm not even gonna try and pick it up. $750 and probably weighs 750 pounds. Makes me wonder what else they have in here. Not seeing anything as grand. Although they have a little pocket of uranium glass back here I'm curious about. Oh my gosh, the oil lamp is gorgeous. Oh no, it's been electrified. Coin dot, $3.95 on that. Another kind of like condensed, what is that, condensed glass? That vase right there. And then the bottle, how much is the bottle? This booth seems to be right on the money. Ooh, $3.50. Yeah, I can't do anything with that, I must say. Well, I like the looks of this booth too. Making sure I don't miss anything in the cases. And then I definitely see a few things that stand out to me here. Some coin dot. I love the satin glass, especially this one. Nice biscuit jar missing its lid. How much do they have on this? That one's $30. Looks like it might have like a little hairline or something. Really pretty color though. I love satin glass. And then up here, you got a nice stretch glass vase. Love that red. Ooh, gosh, that's heavy. I think I'm gonna leave that. This is a jadeite, older jadeite, 75 on that. So again, the prices seem to be kind of where they need to be, but oh my gosh, look at this jar. That is gorgeous. It's for the set. Mary Gregory. I don't even usually like Mary Gregory, but that's quite lovely. And that looks Russian almost. That's wild. These are really nice cranberry antique fluted vases, Victorian, $100 each. And then slow pan over here. Looks like a St. Clair set, $150 on that. Nice Mary Gregory tumble up. And then what do we have here? Van Briggle Lorelei vase, $250. Again, this one's so heavily reproduced, but that looks like the real deal. I know somebody who really wants this. $250 seems like a really good deal, actually. Crap, I wish I, oh man, I really wish I remembered who it was. Because that appears to be the right thing. Now we're talking. Check this guy out. $16.50. Please do not be repaired. You're amazing. I think it's a hobbyist piece, but it's so freaking cool. It kind of reminds me of Howard Pierce. $16.50. That's coming with me. That's got such a great mid-century look to it. Let's check out their jewelry here. I love the cat necklace. Some more jewelry and tinies. I like the pincushion half doll. Interesting collection of mannequins up there, but it's that painting that I am just obsessed with. Oh my gosh, look at the cookie jar. Go ahead and make a pig of yourself. That's so great. I had the serving set of that. I actually gave it to Dagny. It was like the cutest thing ever. I couldn't resist. And then over here, I like this hand-painted bowl. That looks like Fenton. And check out this adorable little turtle planter. $13 on that. Anarco. Large Cats by Nina. Large price on it too. That one's at $79. See a little thing of Fenton custard glass here. $32 on that. Really pretty with the frit. Now, what do we have here? Look at this jar. $40 firm. That's so pretty. Wow. Oh, I love the bohemian cut glass like that. Now I see trolls, but I also see this nice, what looks to be Viking compote. Persimmon, yep, $40. So this is kind of a wacky booth. Can't help but notice that beautiful little canal vase back there. How much do they have on that? $13. Gosh, that's so pretty. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, that's gonna have a nice cadmium glow to it. Maybe not, actually. Interesting. That's a pretty perfume bottle. $12.50 on that. I don't see any discounts though. It's a little close probably. I'm getting ready to check out, but I must say that this is probably the best thing I got. It's really pretty and it is signed. Love the finish on that. What a great slots machine. Please don't play. That's so tempting. Well, that was a nice shop. I got some really nice things for a really nice deal. I spent $117 in there, which is pretty good considering what I got. So I think I'm gonna go big or go home. There's a place that I've never been that's even farther into Virginia. I think it's gonna be like a 4-hour drive home at this point, but you know what? When in Rome. So let's do it. I'll see you guys there.